This is Cinammin, Asian bear dog. Was not for sale. We were holding her. She is a red brindle. She is born on March 5th. She's about 12 weeks old. She will be fully puppy vaccinated, but will not have her rabies. You exploring? Don't eat that yucky plants. She is a half Tibetan Mastiff, half American Akita F1 hybrid. She is from our third litter of the Asian bear dogs. And she is the last puppy from the litter. Like I say, she's been on hold for over a month. And if you're looking for resemblance of what she will turn out looking like, she is a long coat. She's a red brindle, so she's going to be very similar to Nanook. If you look at our old videos or on our website, asianbears.net, under the Asian bear dogs, you'll see Nanook. Yeah, she's got lots of red. Okay. Everybody have a wonderful day. I'm going to get back to work on finishing the doghouse I'm building. Have a great day.